Last year, I almost died. I got infected with the Delta variant. I wasn't vaccinated and it was hard to go to the hospitals. I was already coughing up blood and my stomach hurt whenever I coughed. I also had difficulty in breathing and I always felt tired. I told my mom and very few friends that I got infected, but I didn't tell them how bad it was. I live alone, so I self-quarantined in my apartment for almost a month. In this video, I'm going to share with you the things that helped me recover from COVID. These will help boost your immunity and help you recover when you or your loved ones get sick. I believe COVID is curable, and you can recover faster if you boost your immune system as early as symptoms appear.